Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's just a short one we've got today. We're going to see one serious fault. There was two minor faults. This is from a real driving test. Two minor faults came from an emergency stop being just a little bit too gentle and moving off without amazing blind spot checks, but that was the minors. The serious fault is coming up right now. So if you look ahead, you're going to see a white car coming towards us on the main road, and this learner has been asked to turn right, which they do in front of that white car. Now it's a judgment call there. Really, I think the examiner was correct. They should have waited an extra couple of seconds, let that white car come past. They've got the priority. Let's slow it down just a little bit here. So you're just best waiting there, let that white car pass and then go around the back of them. Let us know what you think in the comments. That's all we've got for you today guys. Hope it's been helpful, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.